In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make sure you get your Trello notifications. Let's dive right in. To start, let's head over to Trello.com. Once you're there, the next thing you want to do is log in using your preferred method. Whether you use Google to log in or choose the email and password route, the aim is to get yourself logged in so we can move forward. We want to ensure that you never miss a notification again. Upon logging in, the next step is to navigate to your profile settings. You'll see your profile photo in the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on your profile photo to open up a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll choose the Settings option. This will take you to your personal Trello settings page, a key spot where everything notification-related can be adjusted. Once you're on your settings page, take a moment to find the Email Notification section. This section is typically found among other various account options. Clicking on Email Notifications will direct you to the area where you can determine how and when you'll receive updates. This is really the lifeline to being updated with Trello. It's an essential step because it basically determines how quickly you'll get updates from Trello. Having timely notifications can be a real game changer. They help keep you and your team in sync with tasks and deadlines. Now that you're in the email notification settings, take some time to review your current setup. You want to ensure you're receiving notifications as soon as changes occur. Adjust the frequency to the instant option. This way, you'll get alerts the moment there's any activity related to your tasks or projects. Real-time updates are incredibly valuable, especially if you're managing multiple boards or handling time-sensitive tasks. Once you've adjusted everything to your liking, you can now rest easy knowing that you'll never miss an important update from Trello again. Remember, staying on top of these notifications can significantly boost your productivity and ensure your projects run smoothly. And there you have it. If you ever feel the need to adjust your settings in the future, simply follow these steps again. Thanks for joining me today, and I sincerely hope these tips enhance your Trello experience. Wishing you happy planning and organizing.